Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, sir. Here I will to tell you what I have read from the novel Train Dreams by Dennis Jensen. Train Dreams is a 2011 novel by Dennis Jensen. Genre uh, historical fiction. It was published by Farrar, Straus and Griaux on August 13, 2011. It was originally published in a slightly different from in December 2002 issues of the Farris Review by Dennis Jensen, whose characters are Granier, Gladys, Kate, Aaron, Elvis Presley, and Bob. The number of pages of this novel is 116. This novel starts from the simple joys of life, and it's often to 35 years old Robert Granier, which takes part in the story of the murder of a Chinese worker accused of stealing from a rail service in North Idaho. Robert Granier and his CO workers took a Chinese man to demonstrate to kill him. He then runs away from Granier and his CO workers and the Chinese men promise to take revenge on them. After a failed murder, Granier goes to buy soda for his wife, Gladys, and for his son at home, named Kate. But his daughter Kate barely recognized her a father at all, which made Robert very sad. And then Granier, along with his railroad gang, undertake even more missions, such as testing the breakers of a train on a broken bridge and beneath a river. They test the breakers to see if the breakers are under control and can stop the rain before it falls into the river. Long story short, Robert then took back to his youth when he met William Haley and heard the story of the life of this nephew, and the ending was dead. He then recalled how he met his wife Gladys and cursed. They were both very shy and very unplugging at the time. He then explained that Robert's wife and daughter were engulfed in the fire and were nowhere to be found and presumed dead. Robert became very depressed, and his only friend was the little red dog he found. But in the end, and dog left and never came back, which was also very hard Robert and also makes him feel sad. It is also explained that Robert only true friend named Kootenai Bob died after being drunk by accident for the first time and hit by a train. From all of that incident, Robert Ann started to make a routine from his summer walk and becomes place that really made him happy. She then meets Peterson at work, who is a very delusional man. Granier then returns to Meadow Creek, where she begins to fear her dreams and isolate herself from the world. Then he goes to visit his friend Eddie Sauer up north, where he gets on a plane for the first time. He also meets Clary Thompson, who is clearly attracted to him, but Robert is too shy to realize this. Robert Granier returns home for the winter. Robert meets Essie Wolf in his house at night, who seemed to be his daughter there. This support the theory that while his wife Anne died in the fire, a pack of wolves raised her daughter to be one of their own. His daughter came to him injured, and Robert took care of him. But once he recovered, he left and made Robert even more lonely and depressed. He ended up walking into town and seeing lots of shows for people age 16 and over. He saw a work boy in one show whose house surfaced sound, and the novel ended abruptly. And the thing that caught my attention in this novel was when Granier, along with the railroad gang, went on more missions, such as testing a train brakes on an incomplete bridge to see if the brakes would apply before falling into a river. The reasons I recommend this book is because the story is very interesting to read. So I often feel when I dive into the reading or read this novel as if I were a role in the book and I could feel the various characters. Maybe this I can convey and explain from the Train Dreams novel that I have read. Thank you for having.